Hi everyone, we have a problem and we want to find the shortest distance between the dog and the doghouse. So we all know that the shortest distance is this line from this point to this point, which I can donate it by d. So how we can find the value of d? If we draw a line from this point parallel with this line, we get this line, and if we extend this line, we have a right angle here, and actually we form a triangle, a right triangle here, which this line is 30 meters, this segment is 15 meters. That make the bottom side 40 meters. So we have two values for the sides, and we can find the value of d by Pythagorean theorem. We can write d squared is equal to 30 squared plus 40 squared, and if we simplify it, we get d squared is equal to 900 plus 1600, and the addition of these two values will give us 2500. And if we take a square root from both sides, we'll get d is equal to 50 meters. So the shortest distance will be 50 meters. This is the final answer for the problem. Have a good time.